Bangkok. The name itself conjures images of bustling markets, shimmering temples, and the infectious smiles of its people. This vibrant city, where ancient traditions meet modern energy, is a feast for the senses. Prepare to be captivated by the scents of exotic spices, the dazzling colors of silk, and the sounds of traditional music. Whether you're drawn to the intricate details of ancient temples, the thrill of bargaining at a local market, or the tranquility of a river cruise, Bangkok has something for everyone. From the moment you step off the plane, you'll be greeted by the warmth and hospitality of the Thai people, eager to share their culture and traditions. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Thailand. From the grandeur of the Grand Palace to the vibrant chaos of Chatuchak Market, each experience promises to be a unique and unforgettable adventure. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of wonder, and join me as we delve into the magic that is Bangkok.
No trip to Bangkok is complete without a visit to the majestic Grand Palace, a sprawling complex of dazzling buildings, shimmering gold and intricate details. For 150 years, this was the royal residence and the seat of power in Thailand. Today it stands as a testament to the country's rich history and architectural prowess. Step through the gates and be transported back in time as you wander through courtyards adorned with colorful statues and intricate murals. Marvel at the towering spires of Wat Pricier, the temple of the Emerald Buddha, which houses the most revered religious image in Thailand. The Emerald Buddha, carved from a single piece of jade, sits serenely atop a golden altar, radiating an aura of peace and serenity. Remember to dress respectfully, covering your shoulders and knees, as this is an active place of worship. The Grand Palace is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a living testament to the enduring spirit of Thailand.
As the sun begins to rise over the Chao Phraya River, make your way to Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. This iconic temple, with its towering central prang encrusted with colorful porcelain, is a sight to behold. The best time to experience its magic is at dawn, when the first rays of sunlight bathe the temple in a warm, ethereal glow. Climb the steep steps of the central prang, taking in the panoramic views of the city awakening below. The air is filled with the sounds of chanting monks and the scent of incense, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and reverence. Whether you're seeking a moment of reflection or simply want to witness the beauty of Thai architecture, Wat Arun is a must-visit. It's a reminder that amidst the hustle and bustle of Bangkok, there's always a place to reconnect with your inner self.
Section 4. The bustling heart of Chatuchak Market. Prepare for sensory overload as you step into the vibrant chaos of Chatuchak Weekend Market, one of the largest markets in the world. With over 15,000 stalls spread across 35 acres, this is a shopper's paradise and a cultural experience all rolled into one. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleys where you'll find everything from traditional Thai handicrafts and silk to vintage clothing, antiques, and even pets. Don't be afraid to haggle, it's part of the fun. Start by offering half the asking price and see where the negotiation takes you. Chatuchak Market is a microcosm of Bangkok itself, vibrant, chaotic, and full of surprises.
Section 5. River Rhythms. Cruising the Chao Phraya River. For a different perspective on Bangkok, hop aboard a long-tail boat and embark on a cruise along the Chao Phraya River, the lifeblood of the city. As you glide along the water, you'll witness a fascinating contrast between the modern skyscrapers of the city center and the traditional wooden houses built on stilts along the riverbanks. Many of Bangkok's most iconic landmarks, including Wat Arun, the Grand Palace, and Wat Pho, home to the reclining Buddha, are situated along the river, offering stunning views from the water. For a truly romantic experience, consider a sunset dinner cruise, where you can enjoy delicious Thai cuisine while watching the city lights twinkle on as darkness falls. Cruising the Chao Phraya River is a relaxing and insightful way to experience the heart and soul of Bangkok. Section 6. Khao San Road, a backpacker's paradise. No trip to Bangkok is complete without a visit to Khao San Road, the city's infamous backpacker hub. This short, bustling street is a melting pot of cultures, a feast for the senses, and a haven for budget travelers. Here, you'll find everything from cheap guest houses and street food vendors to bars blasting music late into the night and shops selling everything from souvenirs to elephant pants. As the sun sets, the street transforms into a party hub, with bars and clubs spilling out onto the street and live music filling the air. Whether you're looking for a taste of local life, a cheap place to stay, or a wild night out, Khao San Road has something to offer everyone. Just be prepared for the crowds, the noise, and the occasional strange sight.